Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by today's title, I will be giving myself a wax on my armpit and on my Brazilian. I'm nervous because the last time I tried to give myself a Brazilian, I tapped out. It was too hard. It's too hard, but I kind of have to finish it for the sake of this video, so it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. I think I can handle my armpits. I used to wax my armpits a while back, so I don't think that'll be too bad, but I know the Brazilian for sure is going to hurt like a okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video, and thank you to Tress for sending me this wax kit. Whew, let's get into it. I'm already in a sports bra just so that it's easier to reach my armpits. Here is the box that I got from Tress, and it literally has everything I need on the inside. I did mention this in my week in my life vlog on my other channel. I'll link that up above. But on the inside it comes with a warmer, 5 different types of wax beads, wooden sticks, pre-wax spray, post-wax spray, paper rings, and an instruction manual as well. And that is everything that came in the box. Okay, let's go ahead and read the instructions because I would like to do this properly. So the quick guide is that your hair should be 1/4 of an inch long and your skin should be clean and dry. You're gonna pour your wax into the wax warmer and allow the beads to melt until it's the consistency of honey. Always make sure to test on a small area first. You want to apply with pressure. Using the applicator, apply the wax in the direction of hair growth and work in small, manageable sections. Then you're gonna wait 30 to 45 seconds for it to cool and harden, and then remove it as soon as it's no longer sticky to the touch. And then to pull it, you're gonna hold your skin taut, flick the edge up of the wax, and pull quickly in the opposite direction. And then you can apply pressure if you want to. The best time to wax is about a week after your period finishes, which is funny because I just got off of mine. Am I nervous? Absolutely. So let me show you guys what we're working with. I'm actually quite hairy. Oh, this better not give me ingrowns on my cooter. This better not give me ingrowns, okay? Now that we've tested that and now that I know that the wax isn't too hot, we're gonna go ahead and try on my armpit. I'm scared. I'd be lying if I knew what direction these hairs are growing in, okay? I think these hairs up here are going upwards. And we're going to apply that upwards, Lord. My love language is your time and attention. So we're gonna lick the tab up here, and I'm gonna pull my skin taut like with this hand. And 1, 2. Ooh, ooh, that was clean. I ate that one. I got some residue left over. Can you see the line of demarcation? Period. Who can't wax their own armpit? Period. That was an incredible rip. It seems as if the rest of these hairs are going downwards. Some of it to me. I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Hold on, I'm gonna add a little more just so that I can create a nice tab. I think this one's gonna hurt just because this is a bigger patch of hair. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Or no, I'm gonna stand up. No, I'm gonna sit down. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay. 1, 2. Not me not even ripping the whole thing off. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Ooh, I just remembered that I didn't spray the post or pre-wax spray. Oh well, I'll do it on this time. Oh no, but that bad boy's clean. Look at that. Oh, let me show you guys the strip because that was amazing. My armpit looks good. Now we can go in with the after wax spray. That smells really good. Wow, okay. I'll just dab up the extra. All right, so this is the before. And this is the after. Wow. Now we're gonna go in with the pre-wax spray like we're supposed to. Let's start a conversation. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ooh wee.
You're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection.
I'm not ready for this because that last one hurt. All right, I'm gonna tear up some of the top. All right, 1, 2. Whew. Okay, 1, 2. Woo. That was good. I do see a little bit of blood on here.
Won't you give some of it to me?
After wax spray.
Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily.
Alright, armpits are good. If you haven't taken the time to get familiar with your cooter before doing your Brazilian wax, you might want to do so. You might want to look up a few tutorials on how to give a proper wax. I've somewhat done it before, so I know what to do. I'm just kind of scared because like the pain level down there, since the hairs are more coarse, is on a different level. Okay, so you're going to want to start with the pre-wax spray, obviously. It's not bad because I nared not too long ago. So like my Brazilian area is honestly really clean. Alright, so I'm going to get a rather big blob and we're going to apply it against the direction of growth because that's what's going to work best. For some reason, doing it this time, I am not as like scared. And then while that dries, I am going to go ahead and apply it to another section so we can just start killing multiple birds with one stone. So we're going back now. Alright, 1, 2, 3. You know, that pain isn't as bad as I remembered it to be. That was pretty good. Time for this side. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that one hurt. That one hurt. Let's go ahead. So we did the two sides. Let's go ahead and do the middle. It's getting hot in here. Won't lie to you. I think I'm taking it like a champ though. 3. That was a really good, ooh, that was a good stroke. Yes, ma'am. All right, now we're getting down to the nitty gritty. I just got like the top portion off, not even all of it, like half of the top off. This one's gonna hurt. 2, 3. I'm hesitating. This makes it so much worse. All right, come on, Abby. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna finish this Brazilian today. We will. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Not in ripping. It didn't even tear fully. Wow, put myself through that pain for nothing. 1, 2, 3. Rip. It keeps ripping. That hurt. All right, 1, 2, 3. Much better. Oh, there's still a bunch of stragglers left. Honestly, tweezing hurts more than just putting another layer of wax on. 3. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Ow. Trying to get on my rear, but this is hard. Now that we're done, I'm gonna go in with my post wax spray. Alright you guys, I just finished doing my Brazilian and all I gotta say is the kitty is very pretty. She looks good. She looks really, really good, okay? I am glad that I pushed through this. Girl, I mean 2 years ago, could not get this done. But I also think there was a big difference from this time and the last time in the quality of the wax that I used. I think this go around I actually like knew what I was doing. So I was able to pull out the hairs more effectively. My armpits look amazing and they are be smooth. Now that I know how to wax, I don't have to get it done. But I want to give a huge thank you to Tress for sending me this waxing kit. I actually loved and enjoyed waxing myself, though it got a little bit painful at that one part. And ripping off big sections, whoo. But then again, I have to remember that this is like my first waxing like years, and of course it's gonna hurt, but next time around obviously it'll be better. But y'all see that compared to that before I did that, okay? The links to everything will be in the description box down below, and I also have a discount code with them, so make sure you guys check that out. Everything will be in the description box down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. It will be in the description box down below. If you haven't already, subscribed to my vlog channel because your girl is getting ready to go to Vegas next Tuesday. This is my first time going anywhere ever, so it's a big deal for me. That is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.